Okay.
We asked you earlier about how much Nancy Pelosi has been earning.
So this is in reference to the insider trading scandal, for which for which Russell Brand is focusing exclusively on Nancy Pelosi.
How much has she earned? How much more times her actual salary did Nancy Pelosi make in the last 103 days? Was it 3 times, 10 times, or what? See, nothing. Don't be silly. Politicians don't exploit their insights for personal financial gain.
Well, some of them do, clearly, Russell. Let's have a look at some of them now. Who has been insider trading? In Washington. Let's have a look and we'll see who they are. Enough theory of insider trading. How about law? The Washington Service. Where are we going to pick our article from? Stock trades reported by nearly a fifth of Congress. Okay, so there's a lot of people doing this. I'm not saying that it's good. It clearly isn't. We should root out everybody who's doing it. Let's have a look, though, and see who it is. What defines insider trading? Where is it legal? Where are we going to get somewhere balanced from this? Let's go from here. Despite their influence and extensive access to information, members of Congress can buy and sell stocks with few restrictions. From 2019 to 2021, 183 current senators or representatives reported a trade of stock or financial assets by themselves or an immediate family member. You can see here the representations of Democrats and Republicans. More than half of them sat on congressional committees that gave them insight into companies whose shares they reported buying or selling. An analysis by the New York Times has found. So it does sound very much like these people were insider trading. Let's find 97 lawmakers or their families sold financial assets. Senator Tommy Tuberville, Republican, so Republican of Alabama, and member of the Agriculture Committee, regularly reported buying and selling contracts tied to cattle prices. Shouldn't be doing that, should you, Republican Senator Tommy Tuberville? Representative Bob Gibbs of Ohio, Republican on the House Oversight Committee, reported buying shares of the pharmaceutical company AbbVie in 2020 and 2021. This is COVID. The timing of one trade by the wife of Representative Alan Lowenthal, Democrat of California, was especially striking. His disclosure statement said he had sold Boeing shares on March 5th. All of these lawmakers, let's have a look and see where we can get a list of who they are. 97 lawmakers. Look, tell me, does this look like a Democrat problem? Does it look like a Democrat problem? Is there a reason why Russell Brand is only mentioning Democrats here? It seems striking, doesn't it, that he is only mentioning Nancy Pelosi, when the people, in fact, the people involved in the initial scandal for this were, I think it was three Republicans and 1 Democrat. It's just absolutely scandalous, again, that Russell Brand will dishonestly represent this information, is just fundamentally incapable of giving you an honest picture, because he is paid for by Trump media. On Rumble, he has a multi-million-dollar contract to Rumble, which is part of the Trump media group, and part funded by Vivek Ramaswamy, the Republican, one of the Republican candidates who ran for leadership of the Republican Party.